Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, NOKIA C21 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to speed up this phone. Okay, firstly we need to start with the question of why your phone is slowing down. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it. This is either because the phone is not powerful enough to do what you want it to do, or because you are not taking a good care of it. You should always understand that every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic, and not every phone can give you the opportunity to work on it smoothly at high dynamic of use and even with heavy tasks. But despite the above, if you follow the instructions I'm about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition, so that it works at its best. Okay, the first aspect that can slow down your device is your memory, because the onboard memory is a limited resource. Often the winner is the one who invests in a device with more built-in memory, and the whole point in that device with full built-in memory begins to slow down. It's always a good idea not to fill the built-in storage more than 70% full. So the first step to speed up your device is to free up memory. So firstly, you need to free up memory by removing unused apps. To do it, open your settings, then find apps and notifications, click Advanced, click See All Apps, and here you will see the list of all your applications with the size of these applications. For example, I want to remove Avast Mobile Security, so I open it, click Uninstall, click OK, and great, Avast was successfully uninstalled. I want to uninstall Antutu Benchmark, so uninstall, OK, wait a while, great, I have released 200 megabytes of memory. It's not bad. Okay, the second way to free up memory is uploading your photos and videos to the cloud storage and removing it from your device. So I suggest to use free cloud storages as Google Drive with Google Photos application. You can because Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes for free. Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free. OneDrive from Microsoft gives you 10 gigabytes for free. So just choose the cloud for you and move your photos to the cloud storage. For example, I will show you how to do it. For example, take a photo. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Maybe. Great. Now open Google Photo application. As you can see, I have taken the photos, and then you need to enable Google Backup. If the backup is disabled, you will see here button Enable Google Backup. As you can see, in my case, backup complete, and then click Free Up Space, and here you will see the size you can free up from your device. Click Allow, wait a while, and great. That's it. Okay, the second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is a lack of RAM. All the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winner is the one who bought the device with more temporary storage. The RAM can be freed by unloading the running apps. To unload running apps, just swipe from down to up and just click Clear All. Okay, as you can see, I have free up 121 megabytes. And the third aspect that can slows down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android operation system literally leaving behind a lot of junk unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program which will detect these files. I advise you use any application to clean your phone without background working. So just open Play Store and find any app. I don't know, find here cleaner. So you can use C Cleaner, Phone Cleaner, AVG Cleaner, Phone Master, any application to clean. So let's check, I don't know, let's check C Cleaner and AVG Cleaner. Okay, so let's try, let's try. You can find the completely free application for you, but you need to find it. Completely free will be without this text message in upper cases. So just install one application, then second application. So let's check if CCleaner works in this device. Click Get Started. Continue with that. Okay, of course. Wait a while, and as you can see, click Start here. Your cleanup is 2 steps away. Give us access. Click Allow access to manage all files. Go back. Here, find CCleaner. Click Permit User Access. And click Scan for Junk. Wait a while. And click See Results. Okay, as you can see, we have hidden caches, so we need to remove it. But of course, we need to pay for it because it's CCleaner. Oh my gosh. Visible caches, okay, we can remove browser data, but we can't remove it, okay. So temporary app files. So we need to try another app. So I like CleanDroid application, but CleanDroid app is not working on this Nokia device. I don't know why. So we can try to open it again. As you can see, there is a problem. Okay, so we can try AVG Cleaner. So I hope AVG Cleaner is better than CCleaner, and we can clean our device without paying for it. So continue with that. Start here. Give us access. I think this app is similar like CCleaner. It looks really similar. So click Permits Access. Scan for junk. Yes, this is the same application. Okay. See results and pay for it, yeah? Okay, this is the same application. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's try another app, Phone Cleaner app. So let's try Phone Cleaner app and Cache Cleaner. Of course, the best application to clean your system is CDMate, but CDMate, you need to pay for CDMate once. You don't need to pay per month, $1 per month. No, you need to pay $2 for forever. It is the best application. I suggest you use this app, but I can't show you paid applications in this channel, so we need to find the application that will work on this device. So Phone Cleaner installed, so just try to open it, click Start. Choose language, click OK. Permission, click Allow, go back, scanning, Wait a while, and great, okay. Cache junk, so we have 58 megabytes cache junks, residual files. We have no residual files, and okay, so let's clean. Okay, great, it works. Of course we have ads, but don't matter, we need to use this application only once a week, so we can watch one ad to boost our device. And great, really great. Okay, using this app we can boost our RAM, of course. This is good too. And okay, we have found the good application, the good free application to clean up our device. Of course, as you can see, we can free up 2 gigabytes of our RAM. It's great opportunity, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. We have free up our device, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.